Most, if not all, of my clients miss this one spot in their kitchen. But today I'm showing you the super simple method I use to keep all dishwashers clean, even my own. I decided it was time to clean my dishwasher because I noticed some little discoloration spots and that not so fresh smell. So I took 1 cup of cleaning vinegar and I ran that alone in the dishwasher. Now, because there were those stains, the vinegar alone wasn't quite enough for me. So, what I did was I took some baking soda and I just put it on a toothbrush. And then I went ahead and just went back and I scrubbed the spots and like the sealing around the where the door seals to the actual dishwasher itself. And then I took a full cup of the vinegar and I went ahead and literally I just place it right inside the dishwasher. Sometimes you can like pour it in like that, or you can just sit it right on the top rack there. Whatever works for you, but that's essentially how I do it. Now, I would recommend to run the vinegar through your dishwasher probably maybe once a month. Maybe you need it more frequently, maybe once a week. And then on the outside, you can see it didn't look so nice either. So I went back with the toothbrush and baking soda and I just scrubbed that up and then wiped it away. So it came out nice and clean, smelled so much fresher. And I also got rid of that really weird yellow sanitizer thing. So that one didn't work. It was something I tried and, it's all right. I tried it, but I'm never again.